welcome back. So we were dealing with complex numbers, right? We were dealing with complex numbers. Now we have come to a point where we need to study an important topic that is called as conjugate of a complex number. What is the conjugate of a complex number and what are its properties? So first of all, what is conjugate? Suppose you have a complex number z, right? Complex number you represent by z, where z is equal to a plus iota times b, right? So conjugate of a complex number is represented by z bar. Okay, just put a bar over z. आपको z के ऊपर बस एक बार लगाना है तो आपको क्या मिल जाता है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट मिल जाता है. इसको आप लिखते कैसे हैं? कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट इज रिटन एज z bar is equal to a plus iota b bar, right? Z bar, z is this value, whole bar, that is a minus iota b. Okay, it is very simple. This is just a minus iota b. So what we did was replace iota by minus iota. आपको क्या करना है? आयोटा की जगह माइनस आयोटा रखना है तो आपको क्या मिल जाता है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट मिल जाता है. एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. सपोज मेरे पास है 2 plus 3i. मुझे इसका कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट चाहिए, सो 2 plus 3i बार. सो दिस इज 2 minus 3i. Okay, now what is the special point to remember is, remember that this a will not change. Okay, real part of z remains intact. रियल पार्ट रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट. रियल पार्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं होता. रियल पार्ट जो है वैसा का वैसा ही रहता है और इमेजिनरी पार्ट भी इंटैक्ट ही रहता है. इमेजिनरी पार्ट में भी कोई चेंज नहीं होता. चेंज कहां होता है? चेंज होता है कि आयोटा चेंजेस टू माइनस आयोटा. So if you have an example for suppose minus 4 minus 5 iota, okay, you have to find complex conjugate of this part. Then it is minus 4 minus 5 just represent iota by minus iota. Then this becomes minus 4 plus 5 iota. Okay, so what we did was I changes to, here I have written I, so just correct it. It is minus times iota. Okay, so the real part remains intact. रियल पार्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं होता, ना ही कोई चेंज इमेजिनरी पार्ट में होता है. चेंज होता है सिर्फ आयोटा में. आयोटा चेंज हो जाता है माइनस आयोटा में. तब जाके आपको यहां लगता है कि ये जो b है ये प्लस माइनस हो रहा है. नहीं, ये जो आयोटा है इसमें प्लस माइनस हो रहा है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लुक एट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट. So what are the properties of complex conjugate? I have written here 10 properties. Okay, these are the properties you need to remember just to put your calculation in fast method. Okay, just to put your calculation forward and just to solve your questions very quickly. Okay, so first property is the complex conjugate of a conjugate is the number itself. Okay, अगर आपके पास कोई complex conjugate है और आप उसी का वापस conjugate लेते हैं तो आपको वापस नंबर मिलता है. कैसे? Suppose z is equal to a plus ib equal to, then z bar is a minus ib, right? Then take the conjugate again, which is a minus ib whole bar, a plus ib, which is z. I changes to minus I, right? Similarly, let's see next, z plus z bar. Just add them. Okay, when you add them, this part gets cancelled and this is 2 times a, and a is the real part of z. A is the real part of z, so 2 times a. And when you subtract them, then the real part gets cancelled and you get 2 times 2i times imaginary part, that is b, 2ib. ib plus ib is 2ib. 2ib means 2i times b is the imaginary part of z, so 2i times imaginary part of z. Okay, now next property says what? Next property says if z is equal to z bar, see, z equal to z bar implies a plus iota b is equal to a minus iota b. This property says that this is only possible if z is purely real. What does this mean? That ये तभी पॉसिबल होगा जब z प्योरली रियल हो. प्योरली रियल यानी b जो है जीरो हो, इमेजिनरी पार्ट क्या हो, जीरो हो. तो अगर ये जीरो हो गया तो a इज इक्वल टू a, a इज इक्वल टू a. दैट मीन्स z इज प्योरली रियल, राइट. हम बोल रहे हैं z प्लस जेड बार जीरो होगा जब z प्योरली इमेजिनरी हो, यानी कि a प्लस आई बी प्लस a माइनस आई बी इज इक्वल टू जीरो. ये जीरो कब होगा? जब z जो है वो प्योरली इमेजिनरी हो, यानी कि रियल पार्ट ऑफ z इज जीरो. अब प्योरली इमेजिनरी प्योरली रियल मैं आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बता चुका हूं, आप प्लीज उस वीडियो को देखें और समझें. ओके, इसका मतलब देखो, प्योरली इमेजिनरी यानी रियल पार्ट जीरो होना चाहिए और प्योरली रियल यानी इमेजिनरी पार्ट जीरो होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो अगर a जीरो हो गया तो ये हो जाएगा आई बी माइनस आई बी विच इज ऑब्वियसली इक्वल टू जीरो. सो z प्लस जेड बार इज जीरो. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सेज z इंटू जेड बार इज रियल पार्ट ऑफ z स्क्वायर प्लस इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ z होल स्क्वायर. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. सो a प्लस आई बी into a minus ib. This is sixth property. This was fifth, this was fourth. Okay, this was first. So this is a into a minus b into minus b. Multiplication of complex numbers. a1 into a2 minus b1 into b2 plus I times a1 into b2 a into minus b plus a2 into b1. A2 into b1 is a into b. So this gives you what? A square minus b square, sorry, plus b square minus minus plus I times minus ab plus ab. This get cancelled, so this term is zero. So what this gives you? A square plus b square. A is real part of z. A is real part of z, so real part of z square plus imaginary part of z square. Okay, next property says what? That z1 plus z2 bar is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. So let's have a look. Z1, suppose a1 plus ib1 bar. Sorry, a1 plus ib1, a2 plus ib2 bar. Okay, a2 plus ib2 bar. What this gives you is a1 a2 minus b1 b2. First multiply them plus iota times a1 b2 plus a2 b1 whole bar. Okay, now just solve it. So this is real part, so this remains intact. This remains intact. Minus iota times a1 b2 plus a2 b1. This is the answer. Okay, so when you calculate this with different equations, or let's say this is equation 1. Let's say this is equation 1. Now just try to calculate z1 bar. Sorry, this is property 9. I mistook it. This is property 9. Z1 bar into Z2 bar is equal to Z1 into Z2 bar. Now let's see what is Z1 bar into Z2 bar. If this value is same as what we will get here, then our property is satisfied, right? This is ninth property. So Z1 bar is a minus ib, a1 minus ib1. Z2 bar is a2 minus ib2. Just multiply it. This is a1 a2 minus b1 b2, so minus b1 b2 plus iota times a1 into minus b2, a1 into minus b2 plus a2 into minus b1. So take minus common and we'll get minus here, right? So this is a1 a2 minus b1 b2 minus iota times a1 b2 plus a2 b1. Now see this, that equation 2 and equation 1 are same. So our property is satisfied that Z1 into Z2 bar is equal to Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Okay, now let's see property 7. Now we have to see what is Z1 bar plus Z2 bar, right? So Z1 bar plus Z2, first we need to find what is Z1 plus Z2. Z1 plus Z2, A1 plus IB1 plus A2 plus IB2. So this is A1 plus A2 plus I times B1 plus B2. We have already studied what is addition of complex number. Addition of complex number कैसे करते हैं हम देख चुके हैं. अब अगर मुझे इस पे बार चाहिए, यानी इस पूरे पे बार, इस पूरे पे बार, this becomes A1 plus A2 minus I times B1 plus B2. Right? So I can write it like this: A1 minus IB1 plus A2 minus IB2. This is Z1 bar. This is Z2 bar, and the property is satisfied. Okay. Similarly, you can check for Z1 minus Z2 bar. Okay. And when you consider the 10th case, Z1 bar upon Z2 bar, what you have to do is first calculate what is Z1 by Z2. Then calculate what is Z1 bar by Z2 bar, and also find what is Z1 by Z2 whole bar. Then see if the equations how we have solved in multiplication, that equation 1 and equation 2, if you are getting similar equations for these, okay, similar in the sense जो इक्वेशन आपको यहां मिल रही है वही इक्वेशन अगर आपको यहां मिल जाए तो आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगी. तो यहां हमने क्या देखा, हमने देखा व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट एंड व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट. सो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में विद न्यू टॉपिक. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग.